Hi, Jessie. Hello.
Hello,
Oh,
hello, hello.
wow, you look so pretty today. I
Jackie.
Hello, good evening. How are you today?
I'm good.
Wow, did you already eat?
Yes.
Yes.
Today I eat
Mm-hmm.
um chicken hot pot.
Oh, chicken hot pot.
Yes.
Oh, that's so delicious. Like this?
Yes.
So it's like a chicken soup.
Yes.
That's so
Uh,
delicious. Oh, that's very delicious. Oh. And I like your headband. I like the thing, the pink headband in your head. So cute. It suits, it looks good on you. Okay, so now are you ready to continue our lesson
what
for
did you eat today?
me? Today I eat a pork soup and rice.
A
Pork
pork soup? I don't know a pork soup.
pork soup. It's a local food in our country. So it's
I don't
quite
know.
sour. Let me show you. Okay, wait. I like this one. So it's a local food in our
Where?
place.
I don't see.
Uh,
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
it's it's
it's a
look
pork soup.
like.
Yes, it stays sour. Yeah, and it's delicious. It's a pork soup.
It's
it's
look like.
it looks like, yeah. It is called as sinigang. Sinigang. Yeah, in our country. Sinigang. Yes.
Sinigang.
Yes, and rice. So pork soup and rice. uh,
Mm.
yes. Now, are you ready to continue our lesson?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So
Mhm.
we are still in our lesson 2. So we are talking about food.
Oh.
Yes. So do you still remember the food that we had learned last time? Do you still remember?
Mm.
What are those food?
Choose
Yes, very good. Next
chicken.
is chicken. Next
Mm.
is hmm,
Ah.
start starts with letter F.
Mm.
Hmm, I will give you a clue. Ah, wait. I will put it in here.
Fish.
Okay, very good. So fish. How about the last one? Do you still remember the fourth food that we'd learned?
Ah.
It's a dessert. It has different flavors. Starts with letter I. I think.
Mm. Ice
Hmm.
cream.
Okay, very good. So those are the four food that we had learned last time. So let's go with this one. Okay, so ice cream. Again, what is this food?
It's ice cream. A
Ice
cherry
cream.
ice cream. Yummy,
Yes,
yummy.
yummy, yummy ice cream. It's so good. What is your favorite flavor? Do you like chocolate? Do you like strawberry ice cream? Vanilla ice cream? Hmm. What flavor do you like?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate? Oh,
Rainbow.
a rainbow ice cream also, like this one.
Yeah.
Hmm. Where is the rainbow ice cream? Like that? Oh,
Let's
it's so.
see.
Oh,
Oh, yummy.
yeah.
Yes.
It looks yummy. So my favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
I have chocolate. rainbow, vanilla, and strawberry too.
Oh, strawberry. Oh, that's also
So
delicious. Oh,
many.
yeah, so many because almost all of the
I
ice
like
creams.
orange,
Orange?
vanilla, and
Orange?
chocolate,
Orange ice cream?
and rainbow too. Yeah.
Really? Oh, we don't have an ice cream flavor like this one. Oh, is it good? Is it delicious? The orange ice
Yes,
cream.
it's good. It's good for bunny too. Body
Yeah,
too.
yes, it's good for our body because it's fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How about this one? How do
Yummy,
you
yummy,
yummy
yummy.
yummy? How do you read this ice cream flavor?
It's vanilla.
Okay, we say it as vanilla.
Vanilla.
Very good. That is vanilla flavor. I think that is the white flavored ice cream.
Mm.
I like that. Oh, it's
It's
also delicious.
oh,
Yeah, those are also my favorites.
yummy, 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 yummy.
Yes, and usually, so
A vanilla mix with rainbow.
vanilla with rainbow. Oh, like this
Yeah.
one in this
Make, make,
picture.
make,
Oh,
make.
that's so yummy,
Oh,
yummy.
yeah, it's
Mm,
like this.
yeah, and
Yummy, yummy.
and usually, so ice cream. So
I like this
we
one.
where this one?
Yes.
Oh, it's also rainbow. Rainbow ice cream.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. It's so good.
It's very yummy.
Yeah. And ice cream, so it is a food or dessert that we
Yeah.
usually eat when it is very hot. Yeah, because ice cream is very
Oh,
cold. Yeah, it's cold. It is a sweet dessert, and usually it is made of or it is made with milk and sugar. And most ice cream vendors or those people who sells ice cream, so they just add flavor to it. So that's why we have different ice cream flavors, but usually it is made of milk and sugar. So that is ice
oh.
cream. Yes. So those
Hmm.
are the food that we have. So again, let's review the four food. What is the first food that we learned?
I
Hmm.
choose
Juice,
mm, chicken,
chicken,
fish,
fish.
and ice cream.
Okay, very good. Ice cream. So those are the four foods that we learned today. So now,
Okay.
yes. Now let's
Today.
move on to the sentence structure.
Listen and say,
Wow,
I like choose. I don't like choose.
very good. How about this one? Don't.
Don't, do not.
Wow, very good. That's so nice. Okay, so we have here our new sentence structure. So we have here, I like
I
juice.
like choose.
Yes. So
I like choose.
I like juice. So we say this
Mm.
if we say I like if we enjoy something or if we enjoy eating something. Like, for example, do you like juice, Jessie?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, so we can say, I like juice.
I like choose. I,
How how about chicken? Do you like chicken?
I like chicken.
Okay. How about fish? Do you like fish?
No, I don't.
Okay, I don't like.
I don't like fish.
Okay, very good. So that is our two sentence pattern. So again, so we say I like and the food that we like if we enjoy eating it. But if we don't like it, so we will say, I don't like juice. I don't like fish. So that is how
I
we
don't like
describe.
fish.
Yeah, that is how we describe if we like something or we don't like something. Because when we say don't, when we say don't, it is short for do not. So do not means we do not enjoy something. Yes. So that's it. So let's try to apply this sentence pattern in our next activity. So we have here a listening activity. And after that, so we will answer each. Okay. Let me just open the listening activity here. Okay.
Listen and say,
Yes.
and then butter.
4.
Can you hear the sound?
B.
Yes.
Listen and say. Then practice.
I like juice. I don't like juice.
This one. Let me
I
see.
like juice.
1.
I like juice.
Okay, for number 1. Does she like juice or does she don't or doesn't like juice? What?
Like shoes.
Very good. The girl said, I like
I
juice.
like juice.
Okay, number 2. So what food is number 2? What food is this?
Yeah, chicken. Chicken,
It's
chicken.
okay,
La
very
la
good.
la la.
It's a chicken. So let's see. Let's see if the girl like or don't like chicken.
I don't like juice.
Oh,
2.
I like chicken.
hmm.
I don't like chicken. Chicken.
Oh, both okay. So this one. So let's try to apply the sentence structure that we had learned. So we
I like
had,
juice.
mhm.
I don't like chicken.
Oh, I don't like chicken. You don't like chicken? Based on the sound. Okay. How about this one? What is that?
A fish.
A
Chicken,
fish.
chicken.
Okay.
Fish.
So let's apply this food in the I like and I don't like. How do we apply it in a sentence? Fish. We say,
Like. I
I like.
don't like.
Yeah, how do we apply the sentence structure in our food? Fish. So we will say, I like.
I like fish. I don't like fish.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
I like ice cream.
Okay.
I don't like ice cream.
Okay, very good. How about the other foods? So we only have 4 foods in this lesson material. How about the other foods that you like, Jessie? Aside from juice, aside from chicken, fish, and ice cream, what are the other foods that you like?
Like
Mhm. Mm.
pizza and hamburger.
Oh, I like pizza and hamburger. How about the other foods that you don't like?
I don't like. I don't like. I think
Hmm. Okay, okay. What are the other foods? Hmm.
I don't like soup.
Ah, really? Why? Why don't you like soup? It's very healthy for your body.
I don't miss.
I don't like soup. Other than soup, only soup and fish. Those are the foods that you don't like.
Yes.
Really? But your food today or the food that you eat today is chicken soup.
No. A chicken hot pot.
Yeah, chicken hot pot. It has a soup.
Just the same.
Yeah, it's the
Just the
same.
same. Not yes. Lẩu. In
How do-
Việt Nam we say lẩu gà lá é.
how do you say that? Lo,
Lẩu gà lá é.
Logalae?
Lẩu gà lá é.
Logalae. Oh, it's chicken hot pot. But chicken hot pot is delicious. It also has a soup,
I
but it's
don't
delicious.
like any soup, just I like chicken soup.
Oh, you only like chicken soup, but other soup you don't like. Oh, how about vegetable soup? You don't like vegetable soup?
So I have one cat.
Wow, it's a pink cat. It's so cute. A pinky cat. What is the name of that cat? It's a pinky cat.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry cat.
Is strawberry pink?
No, strawberry cat. Or cherry cat.
Cherry cat? Oh, do you like cherries? Or have you tried eating cherries?
I like cherries so much.
Yes, it's very good. How about what are the vegetables that you like?
Vegetable.
Yes, that you like. Do you like carrots? You don't like
Baby broccoli.
broccoli.
And baby broccoli and
Wow.
baby carrots.
Oh, only baby carrots and baby broccoli. Oh, we can say, how do we say it in the sentence structure that we had learned?
I, baby broccoli and baby carrots.
Okay, very good. How about the vegetables that you don't like?
Don't like salad.
Ah,
And
salad and? Hmm?
and white broccoli.
What? White broccoli?
White.
This one?
White broccoli. White broccoli. Yes.
Really? Why? It's
It's not.
delicious.
I don't want to eat. No.
Don't want to eat? Really?
No.
Why?
No.
Like this
It's not.
one? This is the white broccoli that you are saying? This one?
Yes. Yes.
Really? It's very delicious. It tastes,
No.
baby broccoli and white broccoli taste the same.
But I like baby broccoli so much.
You
And baby
baby
carrot
carrots.
too.
Oh, because
Yes.
they are so small. I haven't tried.
Easy to eat. Easy
Yeah,
to eat.
yeah, it's easy to eat because they are very small. Okay, so those are how we use.
And my big brother to eat too.
You make your baby brother to eat baby carrots
Yes.
and baby broccoli. Oh, that's so nice. So that your baby brother will don't like vegetables in the future. So
No.
no,
He likes.
he likes vegetables.
Yeah.
That's so nice because vegetables will help your body get stronger.
Yeah. Dog.
You
I
don't
like baby. Baby. Meow.
only baby vegetables. Okay, so again, no,
No.
let's read again the sentence structures that we have, starting with juice.
I like juice. I don't like juice. I like chicken. I don't like chicken. I like ice cream. I don't like ice cream. I like fish. I don't like fish.
Okay, very good. So next, okay, based on the face.
I don't like chicken. Chicken.
Okay, very good. Based on the face of the girl, she doesn't like chicken. Next.
I like juice.
Okay, very good. So I like juice.
Juice.
Next.
I like ice cream.
Okay, very good. I like ice cream. Next.
Don't like juice.
Okay, very good. I don't like juice.
Juice.
Next.
I like chicken.
I like chicken. Next.
I don't like fish.
I don't like fish. Next. Oh, that's the end. Oh, we have here a song.
Sing.
Yes, we will sing. Okay, wait. Let me just open the video.
A B C D F G H I
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I like chicken, I like fish, I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice. Uh-oh, I don't like juice. Chicken, ice cream, fish. I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice. This is juice. Uh-oh. I like chicken, I like fish, I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice. Uh-oh, I don't like juice.
I like chicken. I like fish. I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice.
I don't like juice.
Chicken, ice cream, fish. I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice. This is juice. I like chicken. I like fish. I like ice cream. What's this? This is juice.
I don't like juice.
I don't like juice.
Okay, wow, that's a good song. That's a very, very good song. Based on the song. Yeah, based on the song, Jessie.
Chicken. I like fish. I like ice cream. What is it? It is juice. It is juice. I don't like juice.
Yeah, very good. So the food that they don't like is juice. How about you?
I like juice.
Oh, you like juice. What flavor is the juice that you most like or that you like
Most-
more?
Bananas.
Oh, banana. You don't like? You like banana. You
Yes,
very
I like banana.
Oh, how about what are the other juices? How about, strawberry juice? Do you like
Strawberry?
strawberry
No.
juice?
Bleh.
Really? Because it's so sour. Oh, we have strawberry
Yes.
juice.
But I don't like. It's very sour.
It's very sour. How about what are the other juices?
Want to
Hmm?
in my home, but I very like
What is it?
watermelon.
Oh, watermelon juice. I like.
I like watermelon juice.
How about, do you know pineapple?
Apple, I don't know.
You don't know? This one, I will show you. Pineapple juice. This one, a pineapple.
Oh.
Do you like pineapple juice?
No,
No.
I
Oh,
don't. I don't know how to eat
really?
pineapple.
Oh, this one tastes sweet. This one is the pineapple. So you just eat the fruit. But but when it is juice or it becomes juice, it tastes sweet and little sour.
Ba bị
Yeah.
suy dậy làm gì mà có.
How about apple juice? Do you like apple juice?
So many.
Yeah, it's so many juices.
I can see this.
Mhm.
I can see
What out of the juices that you can see, what are the juices that you like in this picture?
I like mango,
Oh,
apple,
apple,
lemon,
lemon,
watermelon,
watermelon.
strawberry,
Oh, I thought you
kiwi,
don't like strawberry. Kiwi. Mm-hmm.
and orange banana.
Oh, those are the juices that you like.
Oh, and grape.
Yeah, grape. It's also delicious. Grape juice. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh,
Oh, you like
nice.
9 juices.
I think one more.
What?
Strawberry.
Strawberry here. Oh, I thought you don't like strawberry juice because it's.
I like it.
Oh, you like it?
1, 2, 3,
Oh,
4, 5.
oh, sorry. Let me go back. I'm so sorry. Okay. Apple juice, mango, lemon, grape, watermelon, strawberry, kiwi, orange, and banana. 1, 2, 3,
And
4.
cherry too. And
And
cherry.
a
Cherry.
cherry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4,
What?
5.
I think 1, 2, 3,
10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no, my favorite.
You have
No.
10 favorite juices.
I
Uh,
have so many too.
really? So many juices?
Yes.
So nice.
Pause. Sing.
Okay. I like. Okay, so let's skip this one because you are able to sing it earlier. So now, base, how about you, Jessie?
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
How about you, Jessie?
I like ice cream. I
Okay.
like cheese. I don't like fish. I like chicken.
Oh, only the fish you don't like.
Yes.
It's very delicious. Oh no. Okay. Oh, that's the end of our lesson. The end. Okay. Okay. So what are the other
Bye
foods that
bye.
Oh,
Bye
it's two.
bye.
We still have 2 minutes.
Look, look, look,
Look, where?
look.
The
Yes.
cats. The cats
Bye
are
bye.
saying bye-bye. Okay. Don't you wanna ask teacher what are the foods that teacher like and don't like?
Yes, I want to tell.
Mine. Me, I like chicken. I like fries. I like pizza also. Pizza is very delicious. I don't like carrots. I don't like, what is the fruit that I don't like? I don't like kiwi juice. So those are the food that I like and I don't like. So
Oh.
yeah, generally I like all foods. Yeah. but I don't like carrots and yeah, kiwi juice. Yeah. Okay, so I think it's already the end of our time, Jessie. So I will see you again soon. So thank you so much for
You,
your time today. You did a great job because you were able to name each
teacher,
food.
tomorrow you don't learn with me, right?
Yeah, because I will take my leave. Hmm. See you again soon in August. Goodbye. Be nice to your new teacher, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So goodbye and good luck. See you again.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
So cute.